Today, we are going to visit a beautiful wetland park near Colombo, a must-visit place if you are a nature lover. Located at the edge of Diyawanna Lake, the marshlands of Beddagana Wetland Park is an enchanting natural landscape and bird sanctuary. Spanning over 18 hectares of land space, this wetland park attracts many locals who like to spend leisurely in this spectacular piece of nature. And those who interested in exploring the biodiversity of flora and fauna, it's also a popular spot for couples. Variety of floral species common to an inland wetland comprising of endemic and threatened categories create niches of the habitat. Variety of floral species common to an inland wetland comprising of endemic and threatened categories create niches of the habitat. The park is home to many endemic birds and other faunal species such as butterflies, dragonflies, and mammals native to Sri Lanka. The wetland contribute a number of functions that benefit people: water storage and flood control, purify polluted waters, and play an important role in climate change. Roaming through estuaries, marshes, swamps, bogs, or any land that qualifies as a wetland is a very special experience. The trail on a raised platform with wooden planks laid across a shaded forest patch, and you can have good view of migratory birds. On the top of the wooden deck, you can have a magnificent view of the park. Many visitors every day who want to discover wetlands, though it's wonderful, also put some pressure on these habitats that are the home for hundreds of species of animals and plants, often unique to that particular area. Known harmful impacts of visitors on wetland ecosystems include noise pollution, disturbance to wild species. Let's not be that kind of visitor. Come with a big heart, an open and curious mind. Carry your own drinking water and snacks, and do not forget to carry out all your trash. Thank you for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe. See you soon with another exciting video.